In today's video, I'll show you how to play Spotify on your Galaxy Watch with and without the premium account. I'm using the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic for the demonstration, but Spotify will work the same way on Galaxy Watch 5, 6, 7 or the Ultra. Installing Spotify on the Galaxy Watch 8 is quick and straightforward. Just open the Play Store on your watch, search for Spotify and tap on Install. Once the app is downloaded, make sure your watch is connected to your smartphone. This allows you to automatically sign in using your existing Spotify app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, this is the media playback screen. Here, you'll see the song title and artist name, along with basic controls like play, pause, and track skipping. There's no option to scrub through the song timeline, but you can tap the Add button to save the currently playing track to your playlist. This icon in the middle opens up the queue, where you'll also find the shuffle and repeat options and sleep timer. To adjust the volume, tap on the watch icon. From here, you can increase or decrease the media volume, or you can also use the bezel to do it. And by tapping on this middle icon, I can choose to play the music through the phone, through a pair of Bluetooth earbuds, or through the watch speaker. By swiping up, you land on the Spotify home screen. You can search for your favorite tracks, access the library for saved playlists, or just scroll through the home screen to find the tracks you've liked, favorite artists, and Spotify's personalized recommendations. You can open any playlist and tap play to start streaming. On the bottom of the home screen, you'll find the settings menu. This is where you can manage downloads, adjust audio quality, and log out your Spotify account. Now, if you're using a free Spotify account, then you'll experience some limitations, like you won't be able to select a specific song from a playlist. You'll need to rely on shuffle and skip tracks using the media controller. And you can only skip to the next track. Skipping to the previous track is not available. Also, you can only skip for a limited number, after which it requires a cooldown period. And you cannot turn off the shuffle feature or download any songs. Premium users get the full experience, including the ability to select specific tracks and download playlists directly on the watch for offline listening. That said, even if you don't have Spotify Premium, you can still download offline music to your Galaxy Watch using an alternative method that I've discussed in this video. And that's pretty much everything you need to know about using Spotify on the Galaxy Watch 8, 8 Classic, 7 or the Ultra series. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments whether you're using Spotify free or premium. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.